Started it. Virat Kohli is with us. Virat, you must have enjoyed that.
Yeah, it was pretty good. I think after losing a wicket on the second ball, we countered pretty nicely. I think they've played a brilliant impact knock for us, really changed the momentum towards us. I got a few going as well, so that partnership was really important for us to set up that total on the board.
Just seeing the way you played today, spin, pace, you look to stroke the ball a lot and look for the gaps.
Yeah, I think my strength is to kind of get my touch and the feel of the ball early on, and then I can play the shots that I want to. I try to innovate a bit, try to hit different shots off spin as well, and then try to hit different areas of the ground. I think you need to keep evolving your game and keep up with the demands of the situation in T20 cricket. So, yeah, when I time the ball nicely early on, then I have better chances to contribute in the way that I want.
Now, you mentioned Devdutt Padikkal. Now, that was a very, very good innings because the tempo was maintained. It was a double engine firing at both ends.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, when Salty goes early, then, one of the guys needs to have an impact straight away. And Dave kind of did that for us. He's did that for us in 2-3 games now. I think a big score is around the corner for him as well. He deserves it because he's hitting the ball so well. And, yeah, that really changed the momentum for us. And then, as I said, that partnership was important for us to go deeper into the innings, get guys like Jitesh and Livy and Tim David towards the back end of the innings. And then what Rajat did is what Rajat does most often. And it was a great innings by those two as well. Rajat and Jitesh really got us those extra 20-25 runs.
Yeah, with 7 overs to go, you would have hoped 205, 210. 98 runs were added. So 221, you'll settle for that being put into bat.
Yeah, for sure. I think what happened with wickets not falling was one of their spinners was out of the game. And I think that played out to be an important factor for us because we knew once the spinner is out of the game, then the fast bowlers with the shorter boundary will find it tough. So it was important that we keep, the momentum, the partnership at the same time. With wickets in hand, with the shorter boundary, it was going to be difficult for the Chinamen to bowl because both of us were wanting to hit the ball. And I think that really gave us those 20-25 extra runs. And I just felt like the wicket wasn't as straightforward as it seemed because if you saw when Hardik was taking the pace off the ball consistently, it wasn't really coming onto the bat. So I think we have a good score on the board.
Yes, you lost your last 6 games. You had 6 left, so it's a tennis set that's gone by. You think you'll break in the second set?
Well, hopefully. We were I don't know how many and nil in Chepauk for 17 years. So hopefully we break that jinx today. And this time around we got a strong bowling lineup. So yeah, early inroads in the power play will really help.
Well done, Virat, today. Good luck.
Thank you very much.